Today we're showing you a 2015 Case IH Puma 150. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has 150 horsepower, has approximately 950 hours on it. Traded this tractor in. The fellow that owned the tractor simply had all green tractors and he simply could not get along with this tractor, so he traded it in on a green tractor. The tractor is in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. It's got mirrors on both sides of the cab. It's got work lights on the cab. The tractor has lots and lots of extra features. See the listing for all the details, but we'll kind of show you everything we can see here. Obviously, it's front wheel assist, 16 9R30 front tires, quarter post exhaust tires, the 20.8 R42s. Has the bar axles on it, 3 sets of wheel weights. It's got the buttons back here for your, looks like SCV control. Have your 3-point control and your PTO all right there in the fender. That's on both sides. Extra work lights back here. Triple rear hydraulics. 540N1000 PTO capabilities. Drawbar does not show much wear. Tractor also has the cab suspension, which really reduces operator fatigue. If you're looking for a clean 150 horsepower tractor, this tractor is just about as clean as they come. A little bit of a scuff here on the left fender, pretty minor. Inside the cab, the tractor has the full air suspension seat. It's a leather seat. It also has heat function, so you've got a heated seat there. Buddy's seat here also is leather. It's got the Bluetooth enabled radio, auto climate controls. You got all your displays over here on the right. I forget what they call that monitor, but I think it's an ASM 700 or something to that nature. Double check the listing on that, but it's the fancy monitor for these tractors. Has the remote controls right there in the armrest. Power shift transmission also shifted right here in the armrest. Also have 3-point controls, hydraulic controls, transmission controls. Also right here you've got more functions and features. Flip this little guy up here, you have even more settings and controls. On the post back here you've got your some of your ISO and your auto steer functions and features and switches. Also to the right you got your displays for your gauges, so your windshield is completely clear, nothing obstructing your view. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Tractor has the forward reverse up here in the dash, or up here in the column. You've got park, forward reverse and neutral, and you can also shift the transmission forward to reverse over here in the shifter as well. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.